Y'all, I'm about to go outside and shovel up some snow. For those of y'all that don't know, Maryland, New York, or the northern states, wherever a state gets snow, we having some type of winter storm, blizzard, Antarctica weather, Alaska, igloo, I don't know. We having that type of weather. So I go to work at 6 a.m. in the morning and I gotta get this car right for tomorrow. So stay tuned. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you can see, I am in Alaska. Nah, I'm just playing. This is Maryland today. Today is Monday, February 2nd, and we are having a blizzard. I don't know if this is a blizzard, but it's a winter storm. And fiance got me out here shoveling snow. Like, what? Anywho, let me get to shoveling. Be right back. No. Y'all, I'm finally back inside from playing in the snow. Whew, it's so warm in my house, nice and cozy, y'all. Goodness gracious. Y'all, why I said today was February 2nd? Why y'all ain't correct me? It is Monday, February 1st. Lord, I'm so traumatized by the cold, I can't get my mind right. Anywho, y'all. So y'all, look at this vanity. This vanity is such a hot mess. It's so unorganized, and I need to organize it. Because guess what? I am getting a new vanity tomorrow. And I'm not going to tell you what kind of vanity it is. Stay tuned for that. But look at this. So I have this rainbow cart that I got from Michael's. Has all my blushes in here. Some eyeliners, eyeshadow that I never use. Some miscellaneous stuff. Some more miscellaneous stuff. Some brushes. More random stuff. Oh, my contacts. Some eyelashes. What's in here? Some more brushes. Some earrings. And more random stuff. Y'all need to get on this Nair face cream, especially when you wear foundation. If you like shave your face or put some Nair on your face, your makeup will go on so smooth. Come on, ladies, don't act like y'all ain't got that Rick Ross beard. Better shave that off. And my rose gold fan, because your girl get hot at night. Whew, child. So we're gonna have to organize this vanity. I'll be right back. So now that we're back in the house, we're gonna make some hot chocolate in our Nickelodeon mugs. Too cute. Let me see. We got some hot chocolate K-Cups from, where is it from? Oh, from Ollie's, called Indulgio. Milk chocolate hot cocoa mix. I'm not in particular about brands when it comes to hot chocolate. Like, hot chocolate is hot chocolate. As long as it ain't sugar free, I'm good. Waiting for this thing to power on up so we can get nice and toasty. Y'all, look at my little lunch box. I take this to work every day. I got this from this store called Bell's or Bill's. It is too cute. And it is an insulated lunchbox. It's insulated, so all you gotta do is put an ice pack in there, and it keeps your food cold. It comes with a strap. And if you don't want to use it as a lunchbox, you could use it as a an actual purse, y'all. It's too cute. I think I paid $20, and it's Betsy Johnson. Too cute. Here's the finished product. Our milk chocolate, hot chocolate with marshmallows and chocolate drizzle. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back home. And look what came today. Ooh, what could this be? You're not gonna know until the next video. And also look what else came. Ooh, can't show too much. Be on the lookout for the next video. Hey YouTube, today is Thursday, February 4th, and we are at Ikea. I'm looking for a chair to go with my new vanity. So that is what we're here to get. Stay tuned. I love Ikea setup. I want to live in Ikea. I can go to each room. I have a new decor, new feng shui. I love Ikea. This is cute. You see how they got this set up? Like a home office. That is so cute. Man, we stuck in the elevator. Let me out this bitch. Where is the chair department? Ikea. Well, I lived out in Georgia. We didn't have an Ikea in Augusta. The closest Ikea we had was in Atlanta. That sucks. Ooh, I like that rug. That's cute. Look at these throws. Let me see how much is this. Ooh. I don't know. I don't even have a price. Oh, wait, no. That ain't the price. I don't know how much that is. Ooh, some hangers. How much are these hangers? Since somebody keep taking my hanger or not sharing his. Let me see. How much are these? Like, does nothing have a... Oh, it is $5.99 for an 8-pack. Is that a good bargain? 8 hangers for $5.99? Let me know. I like that little nightstand right there. That's cute. I like this setup too. $3.99 for this bed frame. I think that's too expensive just for that. Like, really? I like this right here. But you could get that Big Lots for $29.99. Y'all, I'm on a smart house. Let's see. Ooh, let me check out this bathroom. Oh, that ain't no bathroom. Let's check out this kitchen. I like this kitchen. But I don't like white cabinets. I hate white cabinets. Like, it gets dirty so fast. Oh, I cannot stand like that. But I like this finish, the tabletop finish, this wood finish. I like that. Maybe that would go with like gray cabinets. What y'all think? Gray and this countertop? That would be cute. But I think, wouldn't it get damaged real quick? Like scuff marks or something? When I get my house, I really don't care about the kitchen because I don't know how to cook anyway. Don't judge me, judge your mom. Ooh, I like this bathroom. See, I like decor in the bathrooms, like appliances in the bathroom. Like, I like modern bathrooms. Like the glass showers, these type of sinks is modern. I don't care about a kitchen. As long as they have a microwave, I'm good. I like this bed, this canopy. I used to be obsessed with canopies. Where is the chair department? Let's go down here. Follow the yellow dot. Oh, this desk is $24.99.
Tabletop with 4 legs, combination of what? $24.99.
Oh, that's a good price. $24.99 for this desk. That's nice. It goes to my decor in my house. How much is this chair? $29.99. This chair don't look like it supports big booty Judies like myself.
So
Probably fall out that chair.
You say that's a swivel chair, right?
Mm-hmm.
You say $99.
It says 20. Oh, nope, I lied. That's the little rug thing that's on top of the chair.
Oh, yeah.
See, he's skinny. He could fit in that chair. I'm a big booty Judy. I ain't got time falling out no chair. I like this setup. That's cute. I love that accent wall. Let me know in the comments if you're like me. I cannot live in a home without accent walls. I cannot live in a house with just white walls, white or beige walls. It drives me crazy. I feel like I'm in a asylum or something. Like, where is the personality? Like, where's the creativity? I have to have color in my house. Oh, I love this setup. I love this. It's a little bit too dark for me, so I would definitely have to have an accent wall, but I like this setup. That couch is comfortable as hell. Take a good ass nap. I love this window. I love big windows to get a whole bunch of outside lighting. Well, look at this setup, like this apartment setup. Have your nice little living room with your entertainment center. I love that painting. And then you have like a bar behind it, and here's your dinner table. That's cute if you have like a 1-bedroom apartment. That'd be cute. Why is he over there sitting at a desk? Like, really? So guys, we finally found the chair department, but look at this. I love this. This been here since the summertime. It is a couch that turns into a queen size bed, and I believe the price is only $5.99. Is it $5.99? Let me check. I love this. It looks comfortable too. So if you have like a guest room or office and you want to like put your company in there, it's only $5.99. So this is how it is without the bed out, and then you come over here and then you see how it looks when you extend it. Isn't that cute? For $5.99, that's a good price. Well, I lied. I thought I found some chairs. Like, I don't know what this is. The dressers and china cabinets. Let me know if y'all still got china cabinets and curio cabinets in your house. And if you do, like, are you 50? Are you still live with your mama? Cause who y'all still got that in their house? But I ain't gonna judge you. Do you? All right, y'all. We found the chairs. And y'all, why the hell would this basic ass chair be $2.99? Like, why? Like, what does it do? Does it warm up? Does it do my work for me? Like, what does it do for it to be $2.99? They got some Surgers for a 2-pack for $5.99. That's a good price. Ooh, I want this. For $5.99, that's a good price. We always need Surgers in our house. What's this? Is this like a book thing? Oh. Y'all, look at this kitchen. This is a bomb kitchen. Like, see, I like the gray cabinet with the white marble countertops. That is nice, and it's spacious too. In my current kitchen in my apartment, my current kitchen is huge for it to be in an apartment, and we have a lot of cabinet space. I'm gonna do a luxury apartment video probably in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna take you a tour around my apartment so y'all can see what luxury apartments go for in Maryland and what does it look like. I like this double oven, but like I said, the only thing I bake is cookies. I like this double refrigerator for all my Capri Sun. Cause I don't drink. I'm good with juice. Like this. They call this, what kind of sinks they call this? Farmhouse sinks or something like that. Double sink. And then you come in and they have like a laundry room. I like that. They have the laundry. It's cute. Okay, y'all, for real, we found the chair department. So we found some chairs. So I seen a chair that I wanted online for $25. I'm trying to locate. They said it was in this store. So let's see. Oh yeah, that is it. Ooh, but I like this plastic looking one that I like this chair. But for $79, like, why is this chair so much money? It's like plastic though. Like, I don't think I'm gonna pay $79. Let's see. So this is the chair that I seen online. Only $25. I hate the fact that they don't have it on display so where I can sit down on it and see if it supports all this ass. Oh, they got it in white. Okay, so let me see. Let me see if it supports all this ass I got going on. Okay. Okay. It's doing a little something. I think it's supporting me bouncing it a little, let me move around. All right, I think it will work. So guys, we did not get the chair because they are completely sold out in the color that I wanted. They only have white, and I think that'd be a waste of money. White gets dirty so fast, like wasting my time. And like I said before, I love color. My Vanity is already white, so I need like a accent color to go along with it. I'm so mad. Like, what I'm gonna do now? I need a chair like by Saturday. This is gonna be a rough one. Hey guys, I'm back home and I am about to lay it down. I've been out all day. So I'm gonna close out this video, but before I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right, I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for my next video. Deuces.